Everyone, in the last video I have talked about data validations. So if the title, content and expires are empty, so publishing the errors like this. So in this video I'm going to displaying the validation errors and repopulating fields on this web page. So in order to do that, I'm going to use the create snippet in handlers.go file. Before that, I'm going to add two new fields to our template data struct in template.go. So which are like, one is a form errors, this is a map, and another one is a form data. Okay, so here I added form data and form errors fields to the template struct. So this form data field has the type url.values, which is the same underlying type as r.postForm map that held the data sent in the request body. This will make it easy for us to pass back the previously submitted data. Now let's update the create snippet handler again, so that if any validation errors are encountered, the form is redisplayed with the relevant errors and form data passed to the template itself. So let's go to handlers.go. Where is create snippet? This is create snippet, and now I'm adding code here, app.render. So I'm going to display the errors on create page.tmpl, and then I have to display the template data. So this template data will be not the data from the database, but this time we are going to display the errors. So for that I'm going to import the struct form data errors, and then form data r.postForm. Okay, so I don't need this anymore. So here, if there are any validation errors, redisplay the create page.tmpl TMPL template passing in the validation errors and previously submitted r.postForm data. So now where there are any validation errors, we are redisplaying the create.page.tmpl template, passing in the map of errors in the form errors field of the template data, and passing in the previously submitted data in the form data field. So now we have to update the create.page.tmpl file to display the data and the validation error message for each field if they exist. So one is here, I'm going to display the error here, the dot form errors dot title, and I have to edit this. So we'll write code in between. Label class equal to error, and the data is dot. So and then a value could be here. So form data dot get title. Okay, so I'm going to display this error for the remaining all the fields. So for instance, it could be content. I already copied for the content, and then text area data form data dot get content, and now copy and paste for the labels as well. Input type radio buttons. Okay, now form data expires 365 or not, $exp colon equal to or form data dot get expires no, 365. Now check this one as well. If and exp expires question, it should be like question 365. Okay, and repeat this for 7 and 1 as well. Here it's like 7, here it is 1. So if you observe here, I wrote this condition exp or form data get expires 365. This is essentially creating a new $exp template variable which uses or template function to set variable to the value yielded by form data dot get expires, or if that's empty, then default value of 365 instead. Okay, so we then use the variable in conjunction with the uq function to add checked attribute to the appropriate radio button, like if equation expression like this. Okay, so everything is okay. We are going to restart the server. So go and cmd web / okay, server restarted successfully without no errors. Now let's open the local host. Okay, now go to create snippet. So click on the publish snippet. See, this time we got this field cannot be blank, this field cannot be blank. So we displayed these errors on template page itself. Okay, so we can so I hope you understand. So I am the assertion, I'm giving the data, I'm giving this field empty, and I'm going to give this make see, this field cannot be blank. So this is how we can displaying the validation errors and the repopulating the fields. I hope you understand, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.